I've flown many toy drones around CNET's offices, but none have resulted in the same childlike glee as Hogs' ultimate Millennium Falcon. It's the one everyone wants to fly, or at least try to. A foam replica of the most iconic ship from the Star Wars universe, this quadcopter originally sold for over $100, but now it's down to about $70, about £80 in the UK and $145 in Australia. And at 2.24 ounces, 64G, it doesn't require FAA registration. The soft frame inducted propellers make it a good choice for first-time pilots as it just bounces off walls and furniture without damaging it or your stuff. That's good since replacement parts aren't available, the props do pull off just in case something gets tangled up in them. Overall, the Falcon rockets around with ease, although the lack of trim switches on the controller means there's no way to correct for uncontrollable drift when flying. Also, because of its lightweight design and motor positioning, going full tilt forward can make it flip, and it doesn't do well outside in more than a light breeze for the same reason. The motors also emit a high-pitched whine, but that can be drowned out with sound effects triggered with the controller. Flights last between 5 to 8 minutes, but with the Falcon's battery sealed inside, you're waiting about an hour to take off again. Built into the controller is the drone's charging cable, letting you use the controller's 6 AA-sized batteries to recharge. There's also a pass-through micro USB port, so you can use a computer or USB charger to power up. There are less expensive and more capable toy drones out there, but, this is the Millennium Falcon.